Welcome to Cambodian School. Today we are learning lesson 19 from Siev Pheuv Rien An textbook by Pan Setharin. Lesson 19 in Khmer we sayមេរៀនទី19. So on page 22 to page 23. In this lesson we are learning the next sets of consonants. They are sa and ha. And we are learning to combine these consonants with the vowels that we have learned so far. Now let's read these words by first saying the consonant, the vowels, and then the words, okay? Sa sra sa, sa sra se, sa sra say, sa sra se, sa sra so, sa sra so, sa sra so, sa sra su, sa sra sa, sa sra su, ha sra here, ha sra he, ha sra hai, ha sra hai, ha sra how, ha sra how, ha sra hum, ha sra hum, ha sra hum, ha sra ha, sa, sa sra se, sa se, kha sra khai, sa sra say, ha sra ha, khai say ha, ha sra ha. This first picture reads ba here, which means overflowing porridge. The second picture reads ha, which means to open wide, and the third picture reads ha, which means to fly. Okay, now let's look at page 23. On page 23, the first picture reads sao, which means a lock. The second picture reads say, which means a shuttlecock, and the third picture reads sa say, which means to write. Now let's look at this lesson in more detail. So these are the two consonants again, sa and ha. These consonants are the first series consonant. Now let's practice saying these words by saying the consonant, the vowel, and then the word, okay? Sa sra sa, sa sra se, sa sra say, sa sra se, sa sra so, sa sra so, sa sra so, sa sra su, sa sra sa, sa sra su, ha sra here, ha sra he, ha sra hai, ha sra hai, ha sra how, ha sra how, ha sra hum, ha sra hum, ha sra hum, and ha sra ha. So here's are the two consonants sa and ha, combining with all the vowels that we have learned so far. Okay, in this section we are going to say the consonant, the sound of the vowels, and then the word. Okay, start with sa. Sa a sa, sa e se, sa a say, sa se, sa so, sa so, sa so, sa su, sa sa, sa su, sa sia, sa say, sa sai, sa say, sa sao, sa sao, sa som, sa som, sa sam, sa sa, ha, ha ha, ha he, ha hey, ha ha her, ha ho, ha ho, ha hu, ha how, ha hu, ha here, ha he, ha hai, ha hay, ha how, ha how, ha hum, ha hum, ha hum, and ha ha. Now let's read these without sounding them. Okay? Sa, sa, se, say, so, so, sua, sa, sửa, xía, xế, sái, say, sao, sảo, sống, sắm, sa, họ, há, hế, hấy, hơ, hở, hộ, hổ, hùa, hở, hứa, hía, hế, hải, hãy, hảo, hở, hum, 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 ha. Now let's look at the vocabularies in this lesson. Okay? Ha means to open wide. Ha means to fly, to be flown out, or to fade. So means noise or sound. Sua means to ask, inquire, or question. Sia, to walk along an edge. Sao means a lock. Okay. Sa means to pick or gather up, to review or do it again. Say means a shuttlecock. Sir means to be foolish or dazed. Some means to ask, beg, request, or demand. Some means to be simple, plain, or easy. Sa means to be cured or healed. Ho means to flow, to be fluent. Here, to overflow or to run out. Hai, to march or parade. How means a fortune teller or an astrologer. How means to call, name, or order. Hum means to be strong, robust, or good looking. So say means to write. Bo here means overflowing porridge. Khai say ha means the month of August. So lesson 19 in Khmer we say Merian ti 19. Okay, it's on pages 22 to 23. 22 in Khmer we say Mapaipi. 2 in Khmer we say Tau. And 23 in Khmer we say Mapaibai. So pages 22 to 23 we say Tumpo ti Mapaipi Tau Mapaibai. Now let's take our piece of paper and a pencil and learn how to write the consonants saw and ha, along with combining the vowels that we have learned so far. Okay? So start with saw. Saw we start with a inside circle. Okay? Inside circle up. Okay? Like that. And now ha. Down, right, up, right. It's like that. Okay. Since we have learned quite a few vowels so far, so we're going to use the first half of what we learned to combine with saw, and then the second half of the vowels with ha. Okay. So start with sa. Saw, sa. Inside circle. Okay, sa. Se. Saw, se. Okay. Now say. Yeah, my writing is not quite smooth tonight. It's kind of late. Now se. Okay. Then so. Okay. Then write so. So, so. Okay. Write so. So, also. Okay. Then write sur. So, sur. Okay. Okay. Now sa. So, sa. Okay. Now sữa. So, sữa. Okay. Now combine the remaining vowels with ha. Here, right here, ha's ear here. Okay, here. Now write hey. Okay, ha's a hey. Now write hi. Ha's I hi. Okay. I'm using a mouse, so sometimes it's not cooperating. So ha's I hi. Now hi. Ha's I hi. Okay. Now write how. Ha's our how. Okay. Now write how. Ha's our how. It went a little bit too high. Okay. Okay. Now write home. Ha's home. Home. Ha's home. Okay. Home. Ha's hum. Okay. Now write hum. Then hum. Now finally ha. Ha's ha. Okay. For your assignment, say saw and then write 10 times. Do the same thing for ha. Okay. For these words, you can say it and write 2 times for each one, and you can write as many as you need them also. Now let's review our page 22. So lesson 19 in Khmer we say មេរៀនទី19. Page 22 in Khmer we say ទំព័រទី 22. In this lesson we have learned the next sets of consonants. They are saw and ha. We have also learned how to combine these consonants with the vowels that we have learned so far. Okay, now let's read these words. Sa, se, say, se, sir, so, so, sure, sour, sure, here, hey, hi, hi, how, hum, hum, ha, so, say, kai, say, ha. This first picture reads "Baba here," which means overflowing porridge. And the second picture reads "Ha," which means to open wide. And the third picture reads "Ha," which means to fly. Let's also review our page 23. Okay, on page 23, the first picture reads "Sao," which means a lock. And the second picture reads "Say," which means a shuttlecock. And finally, the third picture reads or say, which means to write. Okay, so we have now finished lesson 19. I'm Alai. For more info or feedback, please visit Khmer School of San Francisco. Thanks.